Summertime brings more outdoor events, vacations, and physical activities. With that fun comes an increased risk for accidents and injuries. Be prepared with a well-stocked first aid kit. In addition to the basics, consider adding these 7 essential items to your summertime first aid kit. Antihistamines for allergic reactions to stings and plants. Include doses for adults and children. Hydrocortisone cream to soothe itchy rashes, insect bites, and poison ivy. Tweezers for splinters and ticks. Instant ice packs for pain, swelling, and inflammation. Eardrops for swimmer's ear. Aloe vera to soothe sunburns. And an index card with your physician's phone numbers and other emergency contact information. Make sure your first aid kit is easily accessible, but safely kept away from small children. Also, keep the kit out of direct sunlight to avoid overheating the medications and creams inside. At Medical City Healthcare, we hope you have a safe and healthy summer.